Hello, I want to talk about free time activity. Day one, uh, in tour to go to Barranquilla. In July, I am going to travel to Barranquilla. I have already bought the tickets. Day one, the departure from Cincelejo to Barranquilla is 1 July 12, and the arrival to the hotel is o'clock 1 o'clock in the afternoon. There I going to there I going to do checking and I going to rest for 1 hour. 1 hour. At 5 in the afternoon, I am going to go to down the reception. I have dinner with my children. We will join the show that the hotel has for tourists who visit that beautiful place. Day two, visit to the board walk. I am going to visit beautiful place, and you seen already an experience. You're going to be dazzled by its imposing presence, a great stage for humanitarian. Many show going to dance with the dance group, the perform at night. I will walk holding hands with my children along the path of love. It is the ideal space for family looking to enjoy an experience in the open air and direct contact with the natural resources of the environment. It includes a green corridor, a children's park, cycle routes, and a variety gastronomic offer. Day 3. Visit the zoological. Visit the zoological. On my tour going to the visit the zoo, uh, it's a small boat, beautiful zoo. The animal have go space, and the log will carry food. The climate is very pleasant because the several trees and the private they are under the care of professional zoos and technical veterinarian among others. The tour is a short, and there are several spaces. The entrance has have also 25 cop for per person, adults and children. It's located in the city, so it easy to the hair. The hair is parking if you go in your own bicycle. From there, I go into the few step from the street, the flowers on the most important emblematic for its culture and gastronomy, science, and there you will find in a wide variety of tropical dishes, including rice with coconuts and fried fish. Day 4. Visited the day 4. I am going to the Barranquilla Carnival Museum. I am going to the museum to learn more about in the cultural surrounding in the beautiful city because as we know, they are the dresses of the queens of the carnival of Barranquilla. We can also film flood stories, anecdotes, and space where you can relive the carnival more representative types of the city itself. Uh, Day 5. I go to the beach of Barranquilla. I went to the beach of Barranquilla. First, I go to the city the place, and discover fantastic story, many memories, um, of couples who meet and married, in the place full and tradition orality. Then I go into the Prado Mar, enjoy the most organized beach in the city for their hotel quality and the majestic on the their beach. In the afternoon, I go to the visit Colombia ports, with my children. I'm going to walk along the pier that, as we know, was the official port route which in the most important cargoes from Colombia in the entire world entered you. Finally, I go to the Bocas of Hash, a beautiful place where the river and the sea met. Wonderful. Day 6. I go to the return home with my children, happy to the have now a beautiful city full of tradition and a lot of culture. Good night, good evening.